No stress, just English. Let's speak slowly and wake up together. Hello, my beautiful hearted friends. Welcome to Stress Free English, your safe space to relax, learn, and grow. Today, we'll practice gentle English phrases. While we enjoy a peaceful morning story, take a deep breath with me. Inhale calm and exhale worry. Good. Let's begin our day together. Waking up, the soft sun touches my face. You try. I open the window. Fresh air flows in. Say it slowly. The world is quiet, the sky is gentle. Repeat. I smile softly. Today feels like a gift. Now you. A bird sings softly outside. The day whispers good morning. Making tea. I fill the kettle. Water sparkles in the light. I boil the water. The steam dances softly. I make a cup of tea. It smells warm and sweet. I wrap my hands around the cup. I take a slow sip. The warmth calms my heart. The tea holds the quiet of the morning. I breathe and feel safe. Self-care. I wash my face. Cool water wakes my skin. I brush my teeth. The mint feels fresh. Say it slowly. I brush my teeth. The mint feels fresh. I look into the mirror. I see a new day in my eyes. I whisper to myself, I am ready. I am calm. Say it softly. I whisper to myself, I am ready. I am calm. I smile at the reflection. The day smiles back. Stepping outside, I step outside. The air kisses my face. I hear the birds, their song floats like morning light. I see the sky, soft, blue, and endless. I breathe deeply. The morning fills me with peace. Let's softly repeat a few beautiful sentences. The soft sun touches my face. I make a cup of tea. It smells warm and sweet. I whisper to myself, I am ready. I am calm. The air kisses my face. The morning fills me with peace. Thank you for speaking slowly with me today. You learned gentle English for your morning and gave your mind a quiet gift. Breathe in, breathe out. I'll see you in the next calm lesson.